Hey guys. Well, look what came into the shop today. I just purchased this. It's a Harley Davidson aermacchi CRT, I believe. Flat tracker. You noticed? Yeah, she's a little rough, but not many of these were made. Because whoever bought these bikes was consciously purchasing these and putting these bikes together for the purpose of flat tracking. Unfortunately, this poor thing was left outside to store in Indiana. Noticed some of the features is no rear brake, no front brake. Uh, uh, so this puts it in a class AMA had back in, I think they wrote up the rules in 59, 58, 59. They required this class, a 250, to have no brakes. Don't know why. They said it was safer. But it comes with the race pillion, which is really rare. Really nice tough-fitted seat. I'm not sure if that's leather. I think that's just leather that can be repaired. Let's send it off to a friend of mine, and he does old leather work. But it comes with a Delorto remote float, which is very expensive. Those things are stupid money. They came with a fiberglass gas tank, which I'm going to have to get repaired because when you store these guys outside, they tend to dry out and crack like that. So I'm going to have to send it, either I'll figure out how to repair it or whatever, but I can't get the gas cap off either. It's stuck. And I just can't believe how crude the welds are, considering these were I think a company called Trackmaster built these frames. And this particular frame was, you could either go road racing with it or flat tracking. Normally a lot of, the early ones didn't have the Sirianni forks or Bedar forks, the 35 millimeter, but a lot of them used the stock forks for the sprints, and then they put this big old brace on it to stop the flex. So kind of neat pullback bars. And that's the other problem I'm having, is this is a short stroke bike. And so they claim that they can go up to 10,000 RPM. And I need push rods, piston, cylinder, heads I have, and I don't know if it's missing the Kickstarter or it was just a push start bike. I'm not sure, but I gotta get a shifter too. But I've been slowly picking away at this, just taking things apart, looking at it. Number 65. Must have been last time I was raced, it was a short track due to the huge um, sprocket. But I have the people that sold me the bike have more sprockets and other things that the shipper forgot or didn't pick up. So they're going to ship it to me. And to make a a sad story sadder is the shipper also has another bucket of parts in a 5-gallon bucket that he forgot to drop off last time he was here. So I texted him, said, "Hey, do you have these parts?" And he said, "Oh yeah, I forgot them." So yeah, so we're gonna hopefully get the parts back. And well, hopefully I'm trying to be vigilant. I'm just having a lot of trouble with my computer as far as editing and putting it out on the internet. It's real hit and miss, and every time I try to do it, I just gotta settle on maybe getting a bigger, better computer. But other than that, we'll get back to you.